Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special in store for all you scooter and BMX enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of handlebar grips with the Z First Handlebar Grips 145mm Soft Longneck Grips for pro stunt scooter bars and BMX bike bars. And let me tell you right off the bat, these grips are considered by many as the best in the market. So, stick around as we explore their features, benefits, and why they should be your top choice. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another exciting product review like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. The Z First Handlebar Grips are designed for both scooters and BMX bikes, making them a versatile choice for riders of all kinds. These grips are made from TPE rubber, which not only provides exceptional grip but also ensures durability, even in tough riding conditions. With a length of 145mm and a 22.2mm inner diameter, these grips are perfectly sized to fit most scooters and BMX handlebars. And guess what? You get both the grip and end cap in one package for added convenience. And the best part? They are available in this attractive T black and white color variant. Now, let's talk about some key features that set the Z First Handlebar Grips apart from the competition. Superior comfort. These grips are very soft and offer a comfortable feel during your rides, ensuring you can maintain control and reduce hand fatigue. Premium material. The TPE rubber material used in these grips not only provides a great grip but also offers excellent longevity, so you won't have to replace them frequently. Easy installation. Installing these grips on your scooter or BMX bike is a breeze, and they come with an end cap to finish off the look and secure them in place. Versatile. Whether you're into stunts, tricks, or just cruising, these grips are suitable for all riding styles. Fantastic value. At just $6.90, you get a high-quality pair of grips that won't break the bank. Now, let's talk about the benefits of choosing the Z First Handlebar Grips for your scooter or BMX bike. Improved control. With these grips, you'll experience enhanced control over your scooter or bike, thanks to their excellent grip and ergonomic design. Longevity. The durable TPE rubber ensures that these grips can withstand the wear and tear of your rides, making them a cost-effective choice. Comfortable riding. The softness of these grips means you can enjoy longer rides without experiencing discomfort or numbness in your hands. Stylish look. The T black and white color variant not only adds a touch of style to your ride but also matches a wide range of scooter and BMX bike designs. Affordable upgrade. Upgrading your handlebar grips is an affordable way to enhance your riding experience and overall safety. Let's take a quick look at what some users had to say about the Z First Handlebar Grips. Sujata Roberts mentioned that these grips fit well on their 7-year-old's bike and are secure. Plus, they appreciated that they didn't have a strong odor. Mettled highlighted that these grips are ideal for kids' bikes and casual adult riders, offering great looks and comfort at an affordable price. Rebecca Hilton found these grips to be exactly as expected, well-made, and similar to higher-priced alternatives. H1N14HIR3 cautioned that the color might vary from what's shown in the ad. Jessica C. found them easy to install, with a simple wet application, and they stay in place. In conclusion, the Z First Handlebar Grips 145mm Soft Longneck Grips are an outstanding choice for anyone in need of new grips for their scooter or BMX bike. They offer superior comfort, durability, and control, all at an unbeatable price of just $6.90. Whether you're a pro rider or a casual enthusiast, these grips are designed to enhance your riding experience and provide that extra edge. So, if you're looking to upgrade your scooter or BMX bike, look no further. These grips are the best in the market and are highly recommended. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description to grab your pair of Z First Handlebar Grips and elevate your riding game. That's all for today's review, folks. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the thrill of the ride.